ready, cut the ribbon, yay! Wonderful.
Today is a ribbon cutting to open a new roadway, 4-lane connection between Richmond Highway and Telegraph Road. And it's named after a community activist named Todd. And he was very important in knitting together the community down here in the southeast part of Fairfax County. This roadway replaces a connection that used to be through the center of the Fort Belvoir base that was closed after the 9/11 events. And we're pleased to be able to reconnect the Springfield and the Richmond Highway areas of southeast Fairfax County.
Jeffrey would be very happy about this happening finally after 13 years of planning coming around. He wanted this to come about. He rejoined the Mount Vernon Chamber of Commerce so we could start working on connections from one area to the other. I've known Jeff McKay for a very long time, as well as Jerry Highland, to try to get the connections going through and everyone working together. That's what made this happen, is not only Fort Belvoir, but the historical preservation, the base, the supervisors, and Jim Moran. Everyone making this happen is what made this day even better.